Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within.
So today's video is in collaboration with Unice Hair Company. Shout out to them. Y'all know I work with Unice all the time and I absolutely love their wigs. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. Oh y'all, how cute is this? So I just opened up my package and it's literally a picture of me on their brochure. How cute is that? Okay, I'm keeping this. I already keep everything. I'm like borderline a hoarder, y'all. But I am going to keep this. That is so cute. So cute. Look at that. So yeah, anyway guys, the wig that they sent me. This is their 24-inch, 13x4. Pre-everything wig. It comes in this really pretty wine color. Like it's kind of like black in there too. It's not light enough to consider it 99J. It's more like a black cherry red color, which is so cute. And I think that is like the perfect color for the winter. I don't know if you guys noticed, like if you've been following me for a while, you know that I used to do colors. Like I was the color queen at one point. I was wearing so many different colors in my hair. But I think over like the last year, I have been getting out of doing like a lot of colors. And I've been definitely wearing my natural hair more often. And also just like going with more natural looking hairstyles. But occasionally I will do like a color like this. I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box. So you guys can see what it looks like right out of the box. Like I said, 13x4 frontal. This is what the inside construction of the wig looks like. It comes with the tapes on the sides, which I'm not sure yet if we're going to use these. And yeah, 24 inches. It is pretty long for 24 inches. I will say that. Like, it's really long for 24 inches. So that is a plus. I already went ahead and slicked my hair back in a ponytail for the gym earlier. So I do not have to do much to my hair because it's already flat. I'm just going to go ahead and make this into a bun to keep it out of the way. And if you've been watching a lot of my like recent hair tutorials, it's like hit or miss. Like I don't wear stocking caps all the time because I just hate having to like camouflage them. And also like I really don't like the hassle of like gluing down the cap on my forehead anymore. Like I just feel like it's an unnecessary step, and I think I've said that in so many of my videos. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box so we can see what it's given. There is an elastic band in the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this a little bit so that the wig can fit a little bit more snug on my little small head. And there we go. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. First impression, this wig is so full. I believe it's 250% density. I'm not sure if it's 250, 200, 180. I will definitely leave all the details to this wig down below in my description box. But y'all, look how full it is. Like I just love some nice full hair, especially when it's long. I feel like the longer it is, it has to be full. And this wig is definitely full. I'm going to get up close so you guys can see the pre-plucked hairline. For my beginner girlies, this is definitely a wig for you. I always say, my beginner girlies, go with the wigs that are already pre-plucked, pre-bleached and everything, especially if you don't want to go and get it installed. The pre-bleached and pre-plucked wigs will be perfect for you. That way you can just watch one of my videos or one of the other girlies who do wig install videos and you'll be able to do it yourself. So just right out of the box, I'm looking at this wig, and this is definitely one of those wigs that you would be able to do that with. Like, take it out the box and get it together. So guys, I'm not going to do too much to this wig. I definitely want to give it some layers, and I want to put some beautiful curls into this wig. But first, let's go ahead and install her. So I'm actually not going to use the tapes. I decided against it. I don't want to give baby hairs in this look. I want to try to do it with no baby hairs. Took the tapes off. I want to try to do this look with absolutely no baby hair. So let's see if we can do it. Since I do plan on wearing this wig for a few days, I'm going to actually install it. The glue that I'm going to be using in today's video is the Bold Hold Active glue. This glue has been my favorite, like if I want a long lasting install. And y'all know I'm a gym girly. I'm in the gym almost every day. So I need something that's going to stick and it's not going to move. And after the gym, my wig will still be, after a 2-hour workout, my wig will still be good. And that's one thing I will say about this Bold Hold Active glue. It gets me together and it keeps me together. So first thing first, before gluing my wig down, I do have on makeup. So I'm just gonna take some alcohol. I have mine inside this little spray bottle. I'm also gonna take a cotton pad, cotton round, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm just gonna spray some rubbing alcohol on the pad and then just clean off that whole area in the front where I'm gonna apply that glue at. One thing I will say is I noticed that when I'm installing my wigs, if I do not do this part and I skip this part, the glue won't stick as well as I want it to. So make sure that you are cleaning that area off before adding your glue. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 layers of glue.
No longer what I used to be better, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah.
That first layer is almost dry. Once that is completely dry clear, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a second layer on top of it.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. My life, I'm through my soul, so the style that's made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and it's true. It's true. I'm steadily changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing.
Okay guys, so now that that is installed, I'm just gonna take my melting spray and I'm gonna go on the edges of the lace and just make sure the lace is like really tacked down. So now that that's done guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some layers to the hair.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender.
Alright guys, now that I've curled my entire head, before we even take the band off, I'm just going to take a big wide toothbrush and just brush through the curls and see how it looks. See if those layers did it justice. Ew. What y'all think? Look at the color, first of all. Look at the freaking color. Oh my God, y'all. I love this color. I'm in love with it. Like I said, it's not a 99J. It's not like super bright like the 99J. It's more subtle. It's like a black cherry, dark burgundy type of color. And I am living for it, okay? I'm living for it, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit more holding spray at the top of my hair to get it nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take my band off and let's see how this lace is looking now. Y'all was sweating a little bit, so you can kind of see the glue just a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is take some makeup and define my part anyway, so we won't be able to see that in a few. So yeah guys, like I said, I'm gonna take a angle brush. The same angle brush I used for my makeup today. It has a little bit of product left on it. I'm just gonna add that to the middle part and make it a little bit more defined. It looks a lot better. And now I'm gonna take another little brush that I used today with a little bit of makeup on it and just dab on the lace a little bit, make it look a little bit more natural. Guys, we are almost done. Last but definitely not least, I am going to go grab my wax stick and press the top of this hair down and take my hot comb and get it nice and flat. Let's go ahead and do that. And add these clips here because I do want it to like fall in my face a little more, just to set it in place. And fire, 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 fire. Okay, that is enough. As you guys can see, I am definitely feeling myself. I do want to go in with a comb though, because I feel like I've been brushing the curls. I want them to be a little bit more uniform, so I am going to go in with a comb before we finish up this look. And there we go. There we go. We want the curls to be a little bit more uniform. So a smaller tooth comb is definitely doing the job. Yes. Yes, absolutely. 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 Let's go ahead and take these clips out now. And guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, make sure to check out my description box. All the details to this wig as well as Unice Hair Company's wig website will be down below in my description box. And also, I want to throw in there, I hope you guys are having a happy new year. I know once this video is up today, when I'm filming this, it is the 30th of December, so I know by the time this video goes up it will already be the new year. So I hope you guys are having a blessed and happy new year. And yeah, guys, until next time, bye.
I know that I can't do this my own. I know that it's hard.